Sometimes the baler doesn't work quite right when it's older and the twine doesn't get around it and you get a messed up pile. We'll just clean this up later and feed them. So we bought the Leyland 384 from Grandpa Johnson's auction. Keep it in the family. We got it running really well. And this is our first use farm-wise, so we're really excited. Our first load of grass slash maybe a little alfalfa. We're going to store this in a dry place till the winter comes when they won't be out in the field, and we are thanking God for food off of our property and that we could bring it into where it'll be dry because it might rain tonight. And our kids like to play in it because it's soft. It's not straw or hay, it's grass. What do you think, Dawson?
Nice. It's way nicer than when I first got on it on the first time.